Ano bang ibig sabihin ng earthquake swarm at bakit po ito nangyayari ngayon?
Okay, so yung earthquake swarm, ito yung may mga moderate, light to moderate earthquakes na magkasunod-sunod and in one area lamang. And wala tayong ma-identify na main shock and wala din tayong halos pare-pareho yung mga magnitudes nila.
Oo.
So ito, nangyayari ito kapag may gradual release of stress in a particular tectonic area. So katulad nito, nagkaroon ng release of stress along the Cotabato Trench. So instead na biglaan, unti-unting naglalabas ng stress and ito yung nare-register natin as earthquakes.
Oh,
Okay, so sir, since malapit nga rin po kayo sa katubigan, ang tanong din nila, meron po bang danger na magkaroon po tayo ng tsunami dahil po di sa nangyayaring earthquake swarm?
So far, yung na-record natin is 5.9. Hindi naman yan makapag-generate ng tsunami. And the thing is, yung earthquake swarm, it may or may not lead to stronger earthquakes. So ang advice natin sa publiko na magiging vigilant and dapat alam nila yung natural signs of an impending local tsunami. So this is not the first time na nangyari ito. We also had a similar event last December 2024 sa may Santa Catalina in Ilocos Sur. So galing naman to sa Manila Trench and yung nung December naman 2025 sa may Masbate area naman, ang source naman ng storm would be the Sibuyan Sea Fault. So hopefully mag-dissipate naman ito sana kasi we started last January 19 and January 20 nakapagtala tayo ng 289 na earthquakes and then nung January 27 naging 70 na lamang. Kaso nagkaroon tayo ng magnitude 5.9 noong January 28, so dumami na naman yung earthquake natin, nasa 833. Pero kahapon, nasa 83 na lamang. And out of the 83 earthquakes na na-register natin kahapon, walang naramdaman yung mga tao.